Hello everyone, we are going to solve x square minus x cube is equals to 12 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x square minus x cube is equals to 12. I can write it as 4 plus 8, or I can write this 4 as 2 square plus 2 cube. Now 2 square is equals to minus 2 square. This is also gives 4, and 2 cube is also equals to minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. This is minus 2 cube, but if I'll write minus 2 square minus minus 2 cube, it is equals to 4 minus minus 8 and 4 plus 8. So I can replace this. So x square minus x cube is equals to minus 2 square minus minus 2 cube. Now, on comparing, we found that x is minus 2. So I can write x square minus x cube. This from beginning of the equation, minus 12 is equals to 0. Now, if I multiply both sides with minus 1, it becomes minus x square plus x cube plus 12 is equals to 0, or x cube minus x square plus 12 is equals to 0. So from the above conclusion, on comparing, we found out x is equals to minus 2. So let's put the value. Minus x square is equals to we can write this as minus x square is equals to, we can write it as 2x square minus 3x square. So x cube plus 2x square minus 3x square plus 12 is equals to 0. Now from first two term, if I'll take x square as common, x plus 2, and if I'll take negative 3 as common, x square minus 4 is equals to 0. So x square, x plus 2 minus 3, x square, this 4 I can write it as 2 square is equals to 0. Now x square, x plus 2 minus 3. Here I am going to use the identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b is equals to 0. Now x plus 2 as common, so x square minus 3 times x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x plus 2, and here x square minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now, this is x plus 2. When we put equals to 0, this gives us x is equals to minus 2. And we already know that one of the factor is minus 2. Now, to solve the other one, we are going to use quadratic formula. X square minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to 3 minus minus is plus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 6 is 24 by 2. So x is equals to 3 plus minus under root minus 15 by 2. So x1 is 3 plus minus root 15 times root minus 1 by 2. So x is 3 plus minus root 15, and this under square root minus 1 is iota by 2. So these are two values, and the above values is minus 2. So only real root is minus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.